guys, we're here with Garagesideways, as you can see. So we are headed to West Virginia to some drift event. I guess they haven't really been to any drift events, so we're gonna go there and film for them. I got the mirrorless camera right here, but hopefully this will be a good time, guys. I don't know, drifting's freaking sick, so we're gonna go do that. And then I think right now we're gonna go grab something to eat, and then we're on our way to West Virginia, guys. So this is gonna be fun. And then hopefully get some cool shots in this shit. Alright guys, so we made a little pit stop at Dunkin'. Now we're trucking our way there to get to Sebastian or Steven, whatever you want to freaking call him, so that he can pass tech, as well as Quan, guys. He's got the Turbo GTO. I'm sure most of you guys on my channel that haven't watched Garagesideways, go check them out because they do a lot of crazy cool stuff and they got like hella subscribers. If you guys want to keep up to date on like real time, check us out on Instagram because we do post a lot of stuff on our stories and on the Instagram daily. So we're headed to West Virginia right now. As you can tell, we got rocks and shit everywhere. So I'm gonna wait till we get there, guys, and then yeah. Alright guys, so we made it here. See Sebastian up there, kinda, not really. He just went through tech and now I think
the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Quan has to go through tech. Yeah, this is pretty dope. You see all these cars here. You guys see what Quan's doing over here.
I'm gay.
Alright, so we're gonna see if we can walk the track right before they start. I got the mirrorless camera and charge it in my V, so we're gonna see what we're doing up here. Yeah, it does. This don't look too bad. Yeah. I think it'll be good.
There's only, I know there's a hole over there on the street. It is smooth.
Yeah, I doubt it's gonna be as big as the hole.
It's fucked up, I know that. It looks smooth. Like I've got shit.
They said no laptops, bro. What are you doing?
I'm putting it back to stock.
But you got HP tuners?
Yeah.
Bruh. So it's freaking break time right now. We got Thomas always working on someone's car. You already know.
I just break something earlier.
Whoa, who are you, bro? Do I know you? Whoa. Damn. Weird. That's a weird ass. Yeah. So like, tell me, what have you been doing today?
I've been just hot lapping in people's cars, jumping in passenger seats, directing, having a good time.
This guy just hops in people's cars like he owns them or something, but low key he does. Maybe it is.
I know pretty much. I know a lot of the guys here. So
this is Thomas Gates, guys. He actually owns Microsoft. We snuck out of the drift event for like a little bit, but I'm here with my buddy Tyler. You have a YouTube channel, right?
What's up? Yeah, Mischief Man. Come check me out.
Go give him a follow, guys. He does a whole bunch like pretty much same stuff I do, like drifting and everything.
Skateboarding, car meets, whatever.
Yeah, but we're gonna grab some fucking grub and then go back, more drifting. This guy's a freaking beast, helping everybody, putting axles in like 20 minutes.
Fixing forward, brake pads, all kinds of stuff.
Brake pads, yeah, that's crazy.
Come out Saturday for the swing set event.
Yeah, guys. We're gonna be there.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, so we had a freaking blast here. I think we're just gonna go get something to eat and then load this turd up. He's got this icy ass tow truck. I'm about to go on Craigslist, look for me a little tow truck.
Best thing I ever bought.
Hell yeah. This is gonna be fun getting back. Well, you don't have the bumper on, so.
Yeah, sure.
Just hopefully it doesn't scrape the intercooler. So far so good, look at this. Back in business, baby. I know, look at this thing. You need to get some exhaust or something for this thing. Oh my. We're gonna get this thing back and get food because we're hungry. It's been a long, hot day. Gucci gang.
A bird's nest in there, man.
All right, guys, we're about to go eat. I'm gonna finish the video here, but go follow Garagesideways if you already haven't. Go check out Thomas and Tyler, all those people. But comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon.